This video tutorial I will explain equals method of arrays class which accept byte array and byte array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the byte array 1. Then I have defined byte array 2. Then I have defined byte array 3. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing byte array 1 and byte array 2. This method check both byte arrays are equal or not. If it is equal, it returns true. If you see both are equal, so this method returns true. And here I am calling equals method of arrays class. I am comparing byte array 1 with byte array 3. If you see both are different, so this method returns false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.